Hello, everybody. It's been over a week since I've posted a video on my YouTube channel. It's because I've been so incredibly busy with all the feedback that's been going on, all the messages, emails. I was getting 20 to 30 emails per day last week at the peak. It was kind of ridiculous. And I've also had over 2,700 downloads of my expert advisor now. So that could be roughly 2,700 people, if everybody downloaded the EA just once. And so hopefully a good portion of those people, or you that are watching this video, are making a profit at this point, and all my videos made sense. I have the account now posted on my FX book and also Forex Factory, which I'll get into in just a second. But if you go to my FX book, you'll see that I'm at a profit of 3.13% over the last 9 days. So that's actually quite good. But I want you to know that this is double the risk that I have recommended to my followers and to the public. I know every single thing about this expert advisor. I've been working with it for 6 years, and to my personal calculations, I'm going to be using it at this double risk for the time being, and it will be for personal reasons that I don't want to disclose in this video. All right, so I apologize for that, but continue to use the recommended settings. So that's 0.01 lots for the pound Canadian dollar for every $1,000 you have in your account, and 0.02 lots for the Aussie CAD and the New Zealand CAD for every 1,000 that you have on the account. If that is not clear, make sure then go to the website and check that out. All right. I've also changed a few things on my website, added a couple more donations that I received. Nothing really huge so far, but I appreciate your donations. And I have been able to get enough donations to pay for my website, which is actually going to be being billed to me tomorrow. So my 30-day free trial is going to be up tomorrow, and I will be charged for this website. And luckily, the donations were able to cover that. So thank you. So let's go to Forex Factory. Forex Factory is a place that you don't know. I recommend checking it out. It's one of the best forums, or one of the most popular forums out there for Forex trading. Great place to download systems that have been created by users, and just a lot of valuable information. So I actually shared my expert advisor there. And if you go to trading systems and you search for giving back, my best expert advisor, you can also see my name, Cuppy Be Good, and you'll be able to check out my thread there. So if I wasn't able to answer your email that you sent me, or if you had questions that you haven't been able to ask me yet, head over to this thread on Forex Factory, and most likely your questions will have been answered in the 17 pages there. I know that's 17 pages is a lot, but you can actually read through them pretty quickly and find your potential problem that you're having through this thread. So hopefully it's kind of a self-help type of thing, so it's a little bit more hands-off for me. So I definitely recommend checking that. You can also track my account there as well, my live trading account. All right, so what I wanted to also talk to you guys about is the current trades that I have in the market, and that is the $2,644 account. That's the one I just showed you on my FX book. And this one is the current trade that I have in is a sell. So it's a short position on the pound Canadian dollar. And I'm at about 35 or so pips profit. And we're just about to hit the day turnover. So that's about well, roughly 50 minutes from now. And if I don't get the profit hit in by the day changeover, the spreads will increase by 15, upwards of 25 pips here at Trader's Way, which is really steep. Doesn't always happen on every broker like that, but for some reason, Trader's Way on the pound Canadian dollar, yes, the spreads can go up to 25 pips. So I won't close out my trade before that. I'll just let it do its thing, and it's supposed to be hands off. I don't want it to have any manual intervention with my strategy. As you guys know, I've done that in the past, never worked out well. So just let the trade do its thing and go from there. All right, so there is another account, and I'm doing this on a demo. This is a demo account of $2,500 that I'm testing a brand new strategy. And this strategy is also, you can see it on the Forex Factory thread that I have going on. And it's the TMA scalping test. It's on a demo account, it's not a live account, but this is showing a lot of potential. I've been looking at the TMA scalping strategy and expert advisor that I have, it's been like 4 or 5 years, and keep trying to find good settings that are consistent, that are safe, that are show any potential. And it's been really difficult. And I've probably gone through thousands of different calculations to try to make this TMA scalping work. I've always wanted a scalping system in the market, something that trades every day. We all do, but when we're scalping, and the more trades that we have in the market, for example, we just are putting out more risk because the more trades, the more exposure, the more risk overall that we get. Um, and that's probably why it's been so difficult for me to find a strategy uh, or a safe uh, methodology behind the TMA scalping expert advisor that I have. But since I think I finally found it, I'm going to be running some tests throughout the month to see if it works, and I may put it on um, my website alongside my RMI strategy. It's something that I'm not sure about yet, and if I'm going to do that, but it's something that I'm definitely considering. This expert advisor is probably going to be need a maybe $3,000 account, which will automatically discounts a lot of you guys out there. I'm going to test it on lower accounts as well, but it will likely show more profit and less drawdown in the longer term. And that's something that needed to continue to experiment with just to make sure that uh, this is going to be safe enough to use over the longer term. All right, I think that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about in this video today. I wanted to keep it short and simple, and I am trying to answer all the emails that are coming through my personal account and also on YouTube and through Forex Factory. But as time goes on and I get closer to my school date where I'm going to be studying to become a full stack coder, so that starts in August. So August 5th, I will not be answering any emails at that point. So many of you guys will have to rely on uh, what you were seeing on the Forex Factory thread. So hopefully, and that's one reason why I started it, so we could get a dialogue and kind of a help support team going on Forex Factory. So for those that are still struggling to get the settings right with my expert advisor or finding new techniques of how to use it and set files and things like that. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching and for your support and for your donations as well. Hopefully, I can get some more down the road to help pay for my school. I'm glad that I was able to pay for my website at this point. But next is trying to find 14,000 to pay for my coding school. So anyway, until next time, I'll see you in the next video.